Welcome to Fun and Learn with Hanu. Hi guys, today is magic for class.
Yay! Close your eyes. Yeah, this is magic sand. That is magic sand. Okay, let's start. Guys, as you can see, Hanu has 3 colors of sand. Which color is this, Hanu? This? This? Yes, these 3 colors of sand. And do you know, when you will put this sand in the water, what will happen? No, when you will put it in the water, yeah, the sand will not wet. The sand cannot wet even in water. Can you imagine? Wow. What do you mean? Wow! What? It looks like a diamond. Wow, Hanu.
Look at this seahorse.
Seahorse? Oh wow, yeah, it looks like a seahorse.
Is this not wet?
It's not wet? Show me. Wow! Such magic this is. Can you see? It's not wet. Even in the water. See? Wow, it's not wet. It's a dry only. Wow, what's that? Wow, see? Wow. 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 Okay, try orange. Wow. Wow, let me check with my hand. Oh, see, guys, can you see? It's not. See, it's dry only. Wow. 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 Okay, let me make I'm making a castle. Okay, let me try. Hanu is not letting me to try. Hanu, let me make a castle.
Look at my sand.
Wow. So wonderful. I love it. I'm loving to play with it. I'm making a mountain underwater. Hanu is making mountain? Wow, yeah, it's a mountain. So much fun. Okay, Mama will make it today. Yeah, bye bye. Hanu is still playing, so we will play again. Bye bye. See you next time.